Hi, Delene Goody with My Florida Dreams here in beautiful Venice, Florida, where we have over 250 days of sunshine a year. Today we are in Bay Indies, a 55 and over land lease property that is a resort community, and we have many activities. Within the Bay Indies campus, we have a full-time activities director, and I have to read my notes because we have so many things. 3 heated pools with hot tubs and clubhouses, tennis courts, pickleball, billiard rooms, fitness center, shuffleboard, bocce ball courts, horseshoe pits, 3.5 miles of walking bike trails, catch and release fishing, kayak storage and launch, a library, games room, art and craft room, exercise classes, and more. And on top of that, we're pet friendly. So today we are at 928 Posadas in a very nice area of the park. This is a 1973 24 by 55 home, and I'm calling this my artist retreat because the woman who currently owns it is an artist. You'll see her artwork all through the house. Unfortunately, it's not stained, so don't get attached, but it is beautiful artwork here. This is just shy of 1,400 square feet of home footage. It's a great house. We are currently standing in what we would call the family room or the den, right off the kitchen. It's a nice big space. We've got newer floors. And in case I forget to mention it later, all the furniture stays. So you can come right down with your suitcases. We've got a great storage closet right here, which houses your electrical box and your hot water heater. You can see it's a newer hot water heater. It goes all the way back. So you have plenty of room for your vacuums, your mops, whatever you're looking for, and to hang coats or jackets on the 1 or 2 occasions that we actually use them here in Florida. We're gonna step into the master bedroom first. You can see it's a big room. She's got a queen size bed in here, but you could easily fit a king. You have storage shelves in that corner. And you have a great little exit room. If you have to have an emergency exit, you've got a door right here to be able to do so. As we step into the master bath, you've got 2 sinks, a fabulous walk-in closet, a corner tub shower, and you've got newer toilets in both bathrooms. They're chair height, so they're not too low, which can hurt after leg day, just saying. Okay, we are going to venture into the guest bathroom, which is again off the den, or family room, whichever you choose to call it. Guest bathroom is also very large. It's got 1 sink. It's got a step-in shower with doors. And it's got the Jack and Jill slider here. Right into the guest bedroom. So you can step in. She's got 2 twin beds in here. Like I said, the furniture's staying. You've got 2 major closets, plus extra storage cabinets here for linens or whatever purpose you need. And we like our storage, don't we, ladies? Cute room. I love this sagey green, but it's an easy paint job if you want to paint it your favorite colors. We do have a sun tube, and I will point out there was a little damage previously. It has been currently fixed, but it just needs a little paint and it'd be just fine. You got a galley style kitchen with newer flooring. It was put in right before Ian, so the end of September. Pretty colors of blue. And it goes right into the dining room, which has 2 cute little built-ins in the corner. And then as you turn and you face the living room, all this furniture stays. It's a nice, comfy living room, very warm and inviting. And this property is situated on a great spot here because I have a perfect view of the lake, which Jean will show you in just a moment. Now, the roof is 5 years old. You've got new floor in the kitchen. You've got the AC is 5 years old. It's been serviced yearly and working well. New subfloors and floors in 2019. The water heater is from 2019. And the electrical panel is a square D, so it's all good. We're gonna step out to the lanai, where you have privacy plants behind here. Makes you feel like you're in a little bit of an oasis. But again, this is the view you're looking for right there. Got a nice breeze coming in today. My name is Delene Goody. I'm at 928 Posadas, and my number is 585-703-2209. Let me help you find your little piece of paradise here in Bay Indies. Gino, I'm good right here. I think I'm just gonna hang out for a while. See you later.